Hey guys, good morning. It's Ed. Well, we're out here at the mobile home park. We're working on two mobile homes. The one here right behind my truck is the lady that called me. We're going to be rescreening all her screens, and then she solicited the neighbor next door, this unit, and we're going to be doing her screens too. That lady's Ingrid, and I'm looking forward to this job because I just need to park once, two jobs. Yeah, it'll be good. We're going to get after it here. Look forward to another affordable window screen adventure. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to start taking these screens out. I forgot my saw, so I'm going to do this job first. I need to cut a few pieces for the neighbor. I'll have to run back home and get my saw. I can't believe I forgot it. Anyway, let's get at it. Brand new roll, 36 inch wide charcoal. This stuff is expensive. Runs about $80 a roll. Not cheap. Try not to waste it. Well, that completes job number one for the mobile home park. This is a really nice mobile home park here in Thousand Oaks. Super quiet, 55 and older. That's why it's quiet. I wouldn't mind living here myself. It's pretty nice here. We just finished up these two mobile homes. It was about 22 or 23 screens to rescreen and repair. A lot of repairs, a lot of what I call screen surgery. Anyway, interestingly, the lady that called me originally also was nice enough to go next door to her neighbor and say, hey, I got the screen guy coming over on Wednesday. Would you need yours done? And so she actually got me a whole nother job, which was cool. We're going to do an estimate now for another woman that had just called me earlier. She had 8 or 9 screens I think she needs fixed. So we're on our way to do that and then pick up a little dinner, and I think we're going to call it a day. It's been a pretty good week, been busy, and hopefully it keeps up. It's been weird and slow because of the off and on cold weather, although I just checked the next 3 days are going to be well into the 90s, so maybe summer will finally show itself. If you are in the need of screen repair, or you need new screens, or maybe you just know somebody that does, give us a call, 805-444-4795. Also check out our website. Our website's amazing. It was completely overhauled and now is all new. It was great before, but now it's really great. So check that out. Or if you absolutely are bored and have nothing to do, you can certainly give a look at all of our 5-star reviews. I believe we have 4 or 5 websites now that we're on, where people have been kind enough to write in and say great things about what we do in the screen world, and probably give you an idea of the type of work we do, and that if you're wondering whether to hire us or not, I'm sure that would be helpful. Anyway, we'll check back with you again, and I'm glad you were here for the adventure.